I love a good little 060 steamer. So when Broadway Limited announced an HO scale Pennsy B6SB, I thought this would be perfect for that new HO scale layout I'm building. And oh boy, was I right. This video is brought to you with support from Trains.com. Trains.com is a fantastic source for new and used model trains and accessories. As a special offer to my subscribers, you can use the promo code JimmyDIY to get $10 off your order of $50 or more. You can check them out at the link in the description. This thing is just so cool. Let's take a look. I'm going to put this bluntly, this thing is amazingly detailed, and I mean just to the nines so much. When I took it out of the packaging, my mind was blown. I was like, oh, I have to take care of this thing because the detail is just awesome. You can see all of the headlamps, the signs, the rivets, everything on here, not just the added on details, but the molded details, the drive rods and the drive wheels, they all look phenomenal. One of my favorite little details is actually the little rope that's coming up from the bell and going back to the cab. I think that's just, a lot of times that's overlooked, and I'm really happy to see that. The tender is no different. It has marker lights on it that do light up with direction, and it just looks amazing. I love seeing all of this detail. It looks so awesome. I love this engine. So we've seen the detail. Let's run this around my HO scale layout that's under construction, and you'll see why I'm head over heels for this engine. It just looks good running. I love this little engine. I've linked it in the description below if you want to get your own. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, and happy railroading.